We have a lot of time, so I thought I would just record making food because I love cooking and I need a little bit of orange juice. Austin happened to drink the rest of the orange juice this morning, so he is doing something I've never thought about before, which is juicing cuties.
We're gonna try to juice the cuties. I think it'll work. I think it's an acceptable alternative.
Today I'm making firecracker shrimp, outdoors edition.
All right. There we go. That's
Was that the energy you're looking for? So first we gotta mix the sauce. The sauce I need ginger, garlic.
What do you got here?
Stop, it's my recipe I wrote. I want people to just think I magically know this.
Cheat sheet.
Soy sauce, starch. Why is this here? Get this out of here.
Give it a toss.
We need the sriracha, which is in there, honey, chili sauce. Ba-da-ba-ba. First I'm gonna do the ginger. I don't want to get this brown bits in it though. Microplane.
How's this different than a grater?
It makes it more fine than a grater. I don't want really big chunks in the sauce. It's a really helpful tool, especially for like zesting. You can see it really gives that fine. Oh yeah, it's probably not safe to use your finger on a microplane grater. But next we're gonna put the orange juice in. This is cutie juice, but it'll work. So we're gonna put that in. You can use 1 clove if you don't like garlic, but I'm gonna put 2. You can put 6 if you want, I don't know. Garlic is a personal choice. Next, we're gonna use this press. It's easier. That is the sauce for the whole dish. Now I'm gonna put that aside. You can get a whole pineapple and cut it, but that's a lot of work, so we got these chunks instead. Cut them in like 1-inch cubes. Oops. Make sure these are drier, because then they get more crispy.
Battle in the wind.
Battling the wind. I'm drying them off a little bit with a paper towel. The ultimate enemy of crispiness is water. This is good for any kind of meat. To dry off steaks, chicken. Sorry everyone for the wind. I wish I was Storm and I could control it. So I'm gonna put a teaspoon of cornstarch in this to dry out the shrimp even a little bit more. You can hear the children screaming. It's one of the many perks of this neighborhood. We're gonna put this shrimp away now, because we're gonna use it later. Oh my gosh. Can you hear all of that?
Dad can really project.
Yeah, that some people. Now the pan is super hot and we are going to really get this caramelized. Caramelized means it's like crispy and brown. So this is gonna go in the hot pan right now. I'm gonna cut the bell pepper while that's happening. Next step, we are gonna cook the shrimp. I still want the pineapple to caramelize more, so I put that on the smaller pan over here on this other burner. I added some jalapenos in there while the camera was off, but I love another kick of heat. That's firecracker shrimp. We're not calling it water cracker shrimp. And we're gonna put this sauce on the shrimp. That smells good, doesn't it, Austin?
Mmm. Mmm.
Look at that. Yes. Firecracker shrimp. Green onions and some lime. Place a couple limes in there. We did it!